Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is perimeter and area of a square and rectangle. First we understand definition of perimeter and area. Perimeter, that means length of a given boundary, given figure boundary, length of its boundary. Whatever figure you have, you measure its length, then you get its perimeter. And area, that means measure of the size of the surface enclosed by its boundary. We take one example. Suppose this is your figure. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So what is its perimeter? Perimeter means length of its boundary. So this length is A, this length is B, this length is C and this length is D. So A plus B plus C plus D become its perimeter. And its area is measure of the size of the surface. This is its surface from enclosed by its boundary. Its boundary enclosed this surface. So this measurement is called area of a given figure. Now we consider two objects here, square and rectangle. Square, that means if your given figures all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. That means measurement of this is L, so this is also L, this is also L and this is also L. So what is perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is sum of its sides. L plus L plus L plus L, L plus L plus L plus L. So this become a 4 times L and its unit is length unit. Either it is or centimeter or meter. Now what is area of square? Area of square means you have this is length and how much this length you arranged in this surface. Its breadth, such as its breadth is also L. So how much this strip you arranged in this surface? So L into L. That's why this is become L square. So its unit is centimeter square or meter square. Now rectangle. Rectangle, that means a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. That means its length are equal and its breadth are equal. And all angles are 90 degree. This type of figure is called rectangle. So what is perimeter of rectangle? Length of its boundary. That means L plus B plus L plus B plus L plus B. That means 2 times L plus 2 times B. So it becomes 2 times length plus breadth. Its unit is also centimeter or meter. And what is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is you arranged in this surface enclosed by its boundary L length strip, you arrange such B breadth. That's why how much strip is required? L into B. That's why its area become L into B. This unit is either centimeter, so this is centimeter. So centimeter into a centimeter square or meter into meter square. So this is your perimeter of square is 4L. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. Area of a square is L into area, side into side. And area of rectangle is L into B. Let us consider one example based on the square and rectangle. First, in a rectangle, length is equal to 3 centimeter and breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. Find its area and perimeter. How you can find? So here L is 3 and breadth is 2. So first of all you have to write its area formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So this is 3 into 2 centimeter square because centimeter into centimeter. These two in form of same unit must be required. So your answer is 6 centimeter square. Now what is its perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times 3 plus 2. So 2 times 3 plus 2 is 5. So 2 5s are 10 centimeter. This is example of rectangle. Now second, in a square, length is 3 centimeter. Find its area and perimeter. So in this type of example, you should be write formula of area of square. So this is length into length. So this is 3 into 3. So 9 centimeter square. And perimeter of square is 4 times length. That means 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 centimeter. Whenever costing type example is given, whenever per meter cost is given and you want to find total cost, in this type of question you should be find perimeter. Whenever per centimeter or per meter cost is given, wherever per centimeter square or per meter square cost is given, you should be find their area and find multiplication of these two, you getting total areas cost. Thank you.